everyone, this is Caitlin.
And this is Trivon.
Welcome to Atlanta Home Tours.
With Caitlin and Trivon. I don't know what episode this is, but enjoy.
Watch it. You'll enjoy it.
Absolutely. Got another spectacular one for you this time.
The finishes in this house are pretty cool. This is acacia wood, which is sustainable wood, and they've used a solid hardwood floor as well. So it's very reasonably priced, usually. And like I said, it's sustainable, so it's fantastic. So they've been very consistent with using black and gold finishes throughout the house. And they've also used the same style mirrors in all of the bathrooms and the same vanity lights as well. They upgraded the plug points and light switches to just a panel light switch, which is a great easy upgrade if you are renovating your house and you just want to modernize it a little bit. It's a cheap, easy thing to do.
Welcome guys, this is a 3.5 bathroom, 4-bedroom house sitting on 0.3 acres right here in the heart of Doraville. Butts right up to Druid Hills, a staple in the DeKalb County community. The highway is half a mile away. You've got shopping and convenience stores left and right, and the community is full of these older, mature homes sitting on larger lots. And this one is a gem at 1.1 million. You can come to Doraville and start a new life. Another thing I wanted to mention was the large windows everywhere. You'll see it throughout the tour. The windows are large, they let in a lot of light, which accents the beauty of this home. Now, I spoke about the area that we're in. It's Doraville. It's rich with opportunity for investment here. Just like this home, the original structure was built in 1956. It was only 1,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. They've turned it into this $1.1 million beauty, and this entire neighborhood is full of mature homes that you can do that to. So, beautiful investment opportunity here and a wonderful home for any family to call their place to live.
My favorite bathroom in this whole house, and I'll tell you why. Because they've done a really good job of using scale for a relatively small space. So they've used oversized tile and this big shower head. Even though this the actual shower is pretty skinny, they've done a good job of making it not feel too crowded or too small as well. We also have this amazing big window, which just opens up this entire room completely. I love it.
This house boasts a modern, contemporary, kind of sort of industrial look to it. You've got the wood with the metal and beams throughout. You've also got the waterfall countertop, it's a quartz countertop with an inlay. It's not book matched, but you know, you'd probably pay another $500,000 for book matching. And then the tile floor all the way throughout. And the family rooms, the bathrooms and everything, you've got wood floors that are perfect for any season.